especially with the company of Giuseppe Fiorino. I dropped off Vanessa at the airport just about an hour ago, and just 50 minutes away from Malpensa Airport, I am staying at Castello di Casiglio. Anyways, I am staying here. I drove in and it's absolutely beautiful. It's an old castle that they obviously converted into a hotel, restaurant hotel. It's beautiful. This is in the town of Erba, which is also one of the towns where a lot of movies have been filmed. I mean, a few movies. One notably, the Star Wars Episode 2. So let's take a look. I'm gonna go check in now.
Casiglio Castle is truly a jewel to discover. The restyling of this ancient castle did not modify, but in fact revalorized history and tradition with the intention of creating a versatile center targeted at prestigious customers. It is located in a truly strategic position because it is within easy reach of interesting tourist spots such as Como, Lecco, Bellagio and Milan. Today, this castle is more appealing than ever with its 46 double rooms including 1 suite, 11 junior suites, and 14 superiors and 20 standard rooms.
As you know me by now, what I love doing is off the beaten path destinations, but also review off the beaten path accommodations, which I've been doing a lot here, being in Italy now for 2 weeks. I returned to New York in 2 days. I decided to come to Erba, near where I'm staying at Castello di... I need to learn that by heart. Anyways, near where I'm staying is this Giardino al Lago, gardens by the lake. Absolutely beautiful. It smells good too. Nature here smells so different. It smells so good. I don't know what it is. And you know, it's the crisp air of autumn. It's the lake Al Serio. It's really beautiful. Check this out. And someone carved a heart into that bush there. I mean, romantic what? This is so cool. And this is the only place that you can enjoy the lake from. Look at all the dogs.
Relais Castello di Casiglio is a jewel to be discovered. The entire renovation of its rooms, which took place in the winter of 2021, did not alter the beautiful and ancient manor, but re-evaluated its history and traditions. Relais Castello di Casiglio, in addition to its 46 rooms, houses the renowned LECRU Restaurant, which is also open to external guests. The possibility of having its own internal kitchen means that this historic and magnificent structure also lends itself very well as a location for meetings, weddings and private events, all with the aim of making the experience unique. The location is absolutely strategic. It is possible to easily reach places of tourist interest such as Lecco, Lecco, Bellagio and Milan.